Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain, and today is day one of the Small Cap Challenge, and I am up $12.54. So a pretty modest return for the day. You can see I only took 5 trades today. It was a pretty slow day. And the big themes we were seeing was that most of the stocks we had were not resolving well. There wasn't a lot of volume, but there were a couple of stocks that had some pretty interesting moves, so I want to go over some of them. To start, let's go over some of the stocks that didn't work. Right, you had SDST, very low relative volume, and just low volume in general, ended up failing. We had Hoth, more volume, but this one also ended up failing. LITM, this one ended up failing. It's somewhat coming back. We had Tenon, I traded this one, looking for a squeeze higher. Didn't quite get it, so I sold for a small profit. It ended up failing as well. We had GSIT. This was continuation of yesterday. You can see here on the 5-day, we had a bit of a move and it was retesting the highs, but it didn't end up working. I made a small profit on it, but nothing crazy. And the big one today really was Nerve. So this one ended up going up 150 to 200%. And you can see it's really held up, which is the really surprising thing to me, right? Out of everything, the stock that pumps up the hardest is holding up, where everything else is selling off after pumping like 30%. So that's very interesting. And going into tomorrow, watching to see if stocks similar to this pump and hold could be a signal of a potential shift in the market. But it's an outlier right now. It's just one, so I'm not going to put a lot of weight on it. But it is very interesting that it's pumped this hard and held up. So with that said, going into tomorrow, I'm still pretty sketchy about whether or not we're going to see any shift in momentum. I still think it's going to be pretty cold, so I'm going to be more on the cautious side and trying to do 5-10 trades. If we see the market heating up, I'll trade more. Otherwise, I'm probably going to keep this size. I did live stream this morning. I'll leave a link in the comments so you can watch the live stream if you want to see me actually taking these trades live. I'm trading every day from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. EST. So if you want to see that, feel free to check it out. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. I will be back tomorrow for day 2.